Hey guys, what's happening? Effortlessly generate AI models using AI Studio. So first of all, go ahead to the official website, ai.google.dev. Again, ai.google.dev. So what you're gonna do, go ahead and click Explore Models in Google AI Studio. Right? Choose a model type. Select from Vision, Text, or Multimodal AI. Right? Next, upload and train data. Use your data set to or Google's pre-trained models. Customize and fine-tune. Adjust parameters for better accuracy. Right? And then eventually export as an API or integrate into your app. By clicking the three bars right here, you can get the API key after you finish doing your thing, right? Training your model. So in my case, I'm gonna ask Gemini to create a chatbot by uploading FAQs and deploying it in minutes. So I'm gonna write down an example, right? Example code right here. As you can see, you're gonna be able to copy it and integrate it with your app, or export as an API by clicking the three bars and get the API key. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.